Hello guys, welcome to Workshop demo series. So today we have a connector which is Google Drive connector, and I already installed the Google connector, and after installation we have the following menu options. So first menu option which is the credentials. So in credentials we required Google API account related credentials information, and you can create a Google API project. In project you can create a API account and with related to the web platform, and after creation of that account using some of the following documentation you can get all the required information and you have to put into the Odoo. Okay, so after when you are put all of the information, just click to the connect button, and this will ask for a specific account that you want to use for authentication. And when you authorize the account, then you will redirect to the Odoo. Okay, so I just try to demonstrate the actual workflow by clicking the connect button. This will ask account, and as we are not verified this application by the Google platform, then you can see this type of a page. So you can use the unsafe method and allow the permission. So after that you will redirect to the Odoo, and I just quickly go to the Google Drive again. So this is the whole process for the authentication. Okay, so next move to the CronJob settings. So in CronJob settings you can configure either the import operation or export operation with specifying few parameters. For example, you can define the number of calls. Either you can define one time or unlimited time, and the next interval which is a positive number which define the next call. Okay, for example, currently the type interval which is the minute, and the next interval which is the 1. So after 1 minute this operation will be executed. Either you are using the import or export feature. Okay, so these are the CronJob's options that you can use. Okay, so these are the options that we have in Google Drive connector. Please note this point, this connector will work only in contacts. Okay, so I just try to demonstrate with few examples, and that may be helpful to be understand the actual working of Google Drive connector. Okay, so just go to the contacts. Okay, so I just open this one, and here you can see that the gdrive option. Okay, so in edit option you can select multiple attachments. Okay, for example you can select this one, and after that when you select the attachment with respect to any extension, you can add a PDF file, you can add the zip file, everything. Okay, so but in case if you have attached a larger file, then you have to be change the configuration as well in the Odoo environment. Okay, so after the attachment you just click either you can import or export. So currently we are trying to export the attachment, so we will just use the export option. Okay, so click on that. Oops, we have a validation, so just add the validation. So after that I just click on the export operation. So we did not enable the gdrive flag option, so you can enable from this here. So whenever you did not enable this option, you cannot be export. Basically this will define the distinguished contact that you want to be export with respect to the documents. So I have enabled the gdrive sync option and try again with export file option. So this will take few seconds, and after when all of the execution is complete, this page will be refreshed. Okay, so as you can see that the page is being reloaded. Okay, so, we can check in Google Drive as well. So I just refresh this one. Okay, so as you can see that a folder is being created with the name of contact. Okay, and in folder there is an attachment file that we have, okay, in Odoo. So I try to add a file and which will be important Odoo. Okay, so I just upload a file quickly and select the image. So as you can see that the image is successfully uploaded in Google Drive, and I try to import in Odoo. So just I click to the import file operation. So this will take few seconds, and after that the same behavior, refresh the page. Okay, to load the content refreshly. So as you can see that the image is successfully imported. Okay, so these are the manual options you can use. You can use the CronJob setting option as well. Okay, so I just try to demonstrate with the CronJob as well. So I just attach an extra file. Either I will create a new contact. For example, I just add John. Here is the fields. Okay, so here is the attachments, and save it. So as you can see that we attach the attachment file in new contact, and also I will attach extra attachment in the previous contact. So I just add a new one here. Okay, so currently we have two documents which is not synced with the Google Drive. So we can try to use with the CronJob settings with respect to Google Drive. Okay, so before I go to the configuration, I just enable the Google Sync option, which is the gdrive sync. Okay, and here is the attachment. Okay, so I just go to the Google Drive connector and configuration of the CronJob, enable in export feature, and currently I'm trying to use one-time execution. Okay, and click to save button. So as you can see that the cron configuration is being updated. Okay, so after 1 minute this automatically execution of export operation will occur, and the all of the document will be synced with Google Drive. Okay, so we will wait for few seconds while it will execute all of the execution. Okay, so as you can see that the cron job is being executed, and as you can see that the file is automatically created in here. Also you can see that the newly created contact is being created by a folder John Mike, and here is the file. Okay, so export feature is working perfectly. Okay, so hopefully you can understand the actual working of Google Drive connector with respect to the contacts. So if you have other than requirements, you can ask. We will try to be customized accordingly and provide different features. Okay, so you can ask for the support department, and we will try to implement as soon as possible. Okay, have a great day. Happy to use Google Drive connector. Bye bye.